Invoice number V7559. Today is November 8th, 2022. We are video inspecting the furnace flue. It is a 3-inch that upsizes to a 6-inch. A lot of rust and deterioration throughout the smoke pipes. We are proceeding down now with scan. We will have approximate height on flue and the approximate flue dimensions as well. First course of flue tile, you do have a staggered tile with a gap. Another stagger. Looks like we're starting to get into the old portion of the flue now. Some deterioration present. We do have a stagger and the gap between the mortar joint. That's a very large gap. More deterioration. Another gap in between the mortar joints. Another gap in between the mortar joints. A lot of deterioration, a lot of moisture deposits. Another gap in between the mortar joint. So far it is a straight shot. 0 offsets are present. More gaps at the mortar joints. Still a straight shot. Appears to be a 7x7 flue. Now we do have an offset. Daylight is lost now. Right there, you lose it. So we do have a little bit of an offset in the 7x7 flue. So we have a large crack. There you go, just saw it. Staggered flue. We are now at the base. This is looking directly in, so we open up into a large cavity that has many gaps, holes, or exposed brick, things out of that nature. This is looking to the left of that large cavity. Here's some gaps, holes. This is looking directly up. You can still make out daylight. That second course of tile has a very large split in it, right there. Just look at that. Yes, now, what I want to do is show you exactly where the thimble is for the furnace, and to my left is where the water heater is, right there. You can see there is no pitch on the water heater smoke pipe. I'm wondering if it would be ideal to possibly vent both of these units into this flue. Here's your water heater, and there's your furnace. Your furnace is parallel with this thimble for the furnace flue, and your water heater is over there. We are approximately 35 feet tall in height. That concludes the video inspection for the furnace flue. Defects are observed.